Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the Coros Vertix 2S smartwatch. It's packed with features and promises to be a game-changer in the world of wearable tech. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the Coros Vertix 2S is all about functionality and durability. It's designed for those who lead an active lifestyle and demand a lot from their smartwatch. From fitness enthusiasts to outdoor adventurers, this watch aims to be your ultimate companion. Starting with the design, the Vertix 2S sports a robust yet stylish look. It comes in several color options, but what stands out is its substantial size. At nearly 2 inches across and equipped with a 1.4-inch LCD touchscreen, it's definitely a presence on your wrist. The build quality feels premium, and despite its size, it's surprisingly comfortable to wear, even during long activities. One area where the Vertix 2S shines is its customizable watch faces. With over 100 options to choose from, including digital, analog, and even animated designs, there's something to suit every style. However, the LCD screen itself could be brighter, which may pose a challenge in direct sunlight. Now, let's talk about what matters most: health and fitness tracking. The Vertix 2S is loaded with sensors, from an optical heart rate monitor to a pulse oximeter and even an ECG function. It tracks everything from your heart rate variability to your sleep patterns with impressive accuracy. Whether you're running, hiking, or swimming, this watch keeps detailed logs of your activities. Thanks to its improved GPS accuracy and support for multiple satellite systems. Battery life is where the Vertix 2S truly excels. It boasts up to 40 days of battery life in regular mode, which is outstanding for a smartwatch of this caliber. Even with GPS tracking activated, you can expect several days of use before needing to recharge. The companion app is intuitive and easy to use, offering detailed insights into your health metrics and activity data. It seamlessly syncs with the watch, providing comprehensive post-workout analysis and sleep reports. Plus, it supports third-party apps, enhancing its versatility. In conclusion, the Coros Vertix 2S is a powerhouse of a smartwatch. It delivers on its promises of accurate tracking, long battery life, and robust design. Whether you're an athlete or simply someone who values detailed health insights, this watch is worth considering. Despite a few minor drawbacks, its overall performance makes it a strong contender in the smartwatch market. That wraps up our review of the Coros Vertix 2S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.